Good morning, guys. Right, today's video is going to be slightly different to normal. I'm going to see a friend and he's got a treasure map. So, we're going to go find a treasure, hopefully. Right, we're now off the beaten track. And I've been told this is quite off-road. So it could be quite exciting. Lots of holes around here. Yeah, seriously not good. Now it's good that we're coming winter, because I feel like in summer it'd be very overgrown. I don't think he knows where he's going.
I know where I'm going.
Not filling me with confidence here, mate.
I'm just taking you for a nice walk out in the woods, mate.
Am I going to come out alive? That's the question.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Right. That tree line is solid. Big hole, watch out.
Big hole. Where's the hole? Oh, yeah. Rabbits have been having fun. I'm glad I didn't wear shorts.
Yeah. I'll get through there.
Yeah.
Where that tree's leaning. I think it's where you turn left and it'll be up there somewhere.
Brilliant.
But this is about the easiest way to get to it.
This way.
To the treasure.
Can anybody guess what it is?
Some may know, some may not.
I think if you follow the channel, you might have an idea. I shouldn't really be leading it, should I?
Not really.
Look where I'm going.
Fine. Just keep going that way.
That way.
No.
No.
That way.
We know exactly where we are.
Yeah.
It's this way. Straight in front of us. The state of this.
You'll be fine. It's not too bad now.
No. Ooh, as he nearly falls over.
It's nearly falling over. We should get to a little clearing here.
Yep.
That looks like an old track. I don't know how we get to what you'd ever get down here other than farm vehicles.
Well,
We'll see.
we'll see. Yep. I can't see anything.
Not yet.
No treasures yet.
No treasure yet.
No golden barrel.
But, oh, bit further. Next one. This probably was, at some point, a track. Go this way.
Whoa. Nearly died.
Nearly died.
Didn't. We're good. It's good because I wouldn't really want to get an ambulance down here.
No.
Or a helicopter. Nothing.
We've had a nice walk, haven't we?
Oh, yeah. Good exercise for our nice pub lunch.
Oh yeah. Well earned.
Yep. What?
I think it's gone.
No.
I think it's gone.
No.
No, it's still here.
Fantastic.
I can see the treasure.
I can see it.
Can you tell what it is yet?
Can you tell what it is yet? I bet you can't. Straight in front of us, we've got a white car with what appears to have grey vinyl on the B pillar. Any ideas? Very boxy car from the 80s. Very stolen car from the 80s. We suspect this was stolen many moons ago. Being dumped here. And that's it.
Here we are.
A Vauxhall Nova.
Better nick this little thing on the road.
To be fair, that'd do $1,000 on eBay, that. So, look at this. And the reason we've come is because it's got the original bulkhead sound deadening. Or bits of it anyway. It's also got a multi-point injection fuel tank and 60/40 seat brackets. So we're going to nick them. I mean take. Borrow, recycle. Possibilities are endless. We think this was stolen. We think it had a 2-litre engine in potentially, and it's been dumped there, and that's it.
That's what's left.
It's not an SRI shell though. It's not a GSI shell because it hasn't got the reinforcement there. So it must have been converted to have an MPI fuel tank.
Yeah.
But yeah, bless it. Squirrels have been eating. Right, so we've established it's a Mark 1 because it's not got any holes in these bits for the plastic trims, but it had Mark 2 SR door cards in it, or SRI. It's got window surrounds, so it could have been an SR or a sportier model. It's also got black handles, which also suggests Mark 1. It's got a late style wiper motor. Later style servo, but it's not a big one. Heater matrix hose has been cut down, which suggests it had a 2-litre in it. As you can imagine, heater blower is seized. Turret's alright though, well, I say okay. I mean, I've seen worse. Standard, oh I like the welding, that's nice. That's lovely.
Boot floor's gone.
Boot floor is gone.
Unfortunately, it's worse than mine.
So it's got the black vinyl there, so that means it wouldn't have had window surround standard. Because black vinyl would never did.
It's got 60/40.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what model it is. There's the bonnet.
Yeah.
One bonnet.
One bonnet.
And one wiper. So it's got a bonnet light as well.
Ooh.
Top spec Mark 1.
Top spec.
It's got a rear bumper bar.
I had a rear bumper at some point. Got all Mark 2 shells.
So they're Mark 2 plastic shells.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a bits of this vehicle. It's also got a Mark 2, or not Mark 2, but a top spec boot arch liner on one side. Seat belts are still in good condition, as you can see. Headlining's Mark 1.
Mark 1, probably better than what's in my
This is better than what's in mine, definitely. Yeah. Right, just discovered the throttle cable, which is either like a 1.61 or a 2-litre 8-valve one, but it's not a 2-litre red top one, unfortunately. Not that it really matters, but still fairly confident it has a 2-litre in because of that. It's been cut down. So we're going to try and get this sound deadening off and then out this forest in one piece. I think that's going to be a fairly hard task, but we'll have a go. Bit of fun. Right, so servo's got to come off. Oh, it's got copper brake lines. Me and Dre are quite established Nova strippers. We've done a couple over the years, haven't we, mate? So it shouldn't be too hard for us. Ripped my glove already, that's standard, isn't it? MPI fuel tank. With a sender. Yeah. One rear window surround. It's a blue-grey one, so it's a late Mark 1.
One careful owner.
Yeah. Nah. One wiper motor. Things we do.
Things we do.
Well, it's actually got a tree growing inside it.
That's a single wiper.
Front one. Oh yeah! Yeah, that's not standard, is it?
No, that's a single wiper conversion.
Yeah.
We'll have that. eBay.
100 quid.
100 quid.
Take the big coat off. We're up north here, you know. Not that I'm giving away the location, but we're up north. I don't feel like anybody's been down here for a while.
I think so.
Other than you.
Other than me.
And number 58 is obviously getting cut down.
58 is going.
Yeah. Number 58 being that tree there.
Oh, cut the roof off. Safety first. Don't want to lose an eye.
No.
Not that I can see very well.
No, I mean they're covered in overspray, but...
There we go.
I don't know why Novas fold up in crashes, and you wouldn't think it, would you?
You won't at all.
So it's that. I don't think this is going back on the road, this one. So guys, this is the inner wing, and it's rusted away that much. It's literally just the original underseal holding it together. Pretty impressive really, because on that side it didn't look too bad, does it? But it's just rubber. The door is actually stuck in, I don't know how. But yeah, it's well attached.
No amount of dragging.
Hmm.
Don't put it off.
Well, what is interesting, guys, what I was saying earlier, this side's got a grey vinyl, that side black. So yeah, it probably did originally have window surrounds.
Weird.
Yeah. This is absolutely nowhere near Scunthorpe, this car.
Nowhere near.
But we are in the north. That's anything past M25, isn't it, to you southerners? That is actually in fairly good condition. Nice and careful. Right, one bracket. Beautiful. Most people go dogging in the woods. We do this. That's it.
There we go.
There we go, sorry. Oh, there's a bit of a SR door card there.
Ah, excellent.
And there's the chassis leg you was on about.
Yeah.
No VIN number there.
No bin.
That's the rear axle mount. Pretty impressive. You put it under there. That not very attached chassis leg. That's the chassis leg.
Hold it.
I think this is a 88, 89 SR.
Is that your?
That's my theory.
That's your theory.
I'm nearly certain it's an SR. I think it's the underseal holding it together now. Come in.
That's what she said. There can't be anything else on. There we go. There we go.
One 60/40 seat bracket ready for minor restoration. Beauty of these is they've just got a couple of spot welds there. Take the bolt out and that bracket comes off. The rest of it can go in the bin. Give that a quick sand, paint, but it's good, isn't it? Obviously Dre won't do that, but he'd probably just glue it in or something, but
yeah. No nails.
you know the theory.
No nails.
So it's got a bonnet vent, as you can see, which is very nice.
I think it's actually had a proper bonnet vent in it.
It probably has. Yeah, as you can see, the car has seen better days. It's been in this wood a little bit too long. I mean, you don't often see the boot floor detached like that, do you? But yeah. It's funny because in a wheel arch looks mint.
Won't have a problem putting speed lines on this, that's for sure.
Right. We can just drop it if you want.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Carefully placed. We've removed everything holding this on. We've just got to carefully pull it off now. Should we do it?
Go for it.
It does have the little split, but we're not that bothered about that. And there we go.
Happy days. I'll let you take that. Bit wet.
So, we've got most things off the car now, and I think we're going to leave it.
I think we're done.
I think we're done. There's a few bits left, but a lot of it's knackered. A lot of the plastic's been eaten by the sun, eaten by squirrels, rats, I don't know, rodents have been nibbling things. A lot of stuff's quite rotten.
We can't get what we wanted.
Yeah, we need them off. We can get them off.
Get them off.
We can get them off.
Alright.
The fuel tank, turns out, is actually rotten. There's a little hole in it. So we've taken the sender out. Yeah, we are going to tidy up now, put everything away, make it look a little bit neater. And then go find a nice pub for lunch.
Happy days. Getting hungry.
Yeah, starving. Worked up a sweat. We've tidied up.
Tidied up, all done.
Everything's spot on. So we've got a few bits. We'll get them to the car, then we'll show you what we've got. Right, we're back at the car, and this is what we've got. So we've got full arch carpet, only one because the other one was missing out of a GSI or something like that. Bulkhead sound deadening, little split in it, but other than that it will clean up. Some grey window surrounds.
Might go again, maybe not.
Might go again, but hey ho. Single wiper conversion. Interior handle, GSI fuel pump wiring, some fuse box wires, heater cables, GSI sender unit, dash vents, and 60/40 seat brackets. Oh, and a really good condition rear bumper iron. So all in, not a bad morning really. So we're going to go for a pub lunch now and yeah, have a drink. So right guys, that was a productive day. I'm now back and I'm going to wrap the video up there, I think. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit different today, bit of fun. It's nice to save some rare parts and just, you know, get out and do something. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.